Yeah, so back on Bannerman Track. This is where I broke down last week. We're a couple of weeks into spring, but it is freezing. It actually snowed out here last night. There was a car rally out here as well. See, all that trees come down. Oh wow. Remember, I stopped and looked at that last week. She's fallen right down. Oh, far out. Yeah, she's bloody slippery. Oh, shit. Oh, holy shit. Oh, far out. Oh, man. Oh, shit, that right? Oh, yeah. I saw you go down, I hit the brakes and just lost the front end. Far out. Fucking went down hard. That was pretty deep. Yeah, you're alright, I'm just getting my breath. Righto, well that's not a good start, is it? Yeah, I realised how deep that water was. I hit the brakes and went to change lines and she fucking went on me. Well, that's going to slow me up a bit anyway. Yeah, she's real slippery. Wasn't this bad last weekend. Hold up, what's going on there? Oh shit. Don't know. Yeah, just realised I got no rear brake. Snapped the lever off. I need to stop and fix that brake lever up when I can. Should have went over there. That was that was me changing my mind which way I should go. But I'm going to have to do some roadside repairs. Well, here I am, stuck on Bannerman Track again. Yeah, I come off before, got the bike up, took off, couldn't find my rear brake. Look at this, she snapped off. I actually bent this a long time ago and I've got these toe pieces So if I do stack it, rather than bend, they just break and I put a new one on. So I just got to take that off, replace it. Not a big deal. It is way slipperier than last time I was out here. Like I said, we had a lot of rain yesterday, a bit of snow. New one on. Good to go. Now this is the nasty hill. Is Chris going to be able to get up on it? Chris is still on the stock tyres on his CF Moto 450. I reckon we're going to struggle a bit here. We're going to make it. Here comes Andy on the Himalayan. This bike goes anywhere, does it easy. Whoa. Oh no, let's see how Barry goes. Well, WR should do it pretty easy. Got good knobby tyres on it. Yeah, he's going alright. My turn. Oh, mate. Oh. Must admit, I'm a little bit nervous. Barry seemed to do it pretty well with the Motoz Adventure, which is what I've got, but mine's a lot more worn. Righto, we made it. Ready for the next bit. I know it doesn't get easier. Come on, we Oh, made it. Oh mate, I'm buggered. It was hard work. I got 50 freaking layers on.